Experience a hassle-free way to cook with Slow Cook. With Slow Cook, your food cooks slowly and at a lower temperature, as low as 100 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to lock in moisture and flavor without over or undercooking your food in your Frigidaire wall oven. Here are some tips to get you started. For best results when using Slow Cook, completely thaw all frozen foods before cooking. When using a single oven rack, place in the center of the oven. Do not open the oven door often or leave the door open when checking foods. If the oven heat escapes often, the slow cook time may need to be extended. Cover to keep foods moist, or use a loose or vented type cover to allow foods to turn crisp or brown. Add any cream or cheese sauces during the last hour. To begin, touch Oven Modes and scroll to Slow Cook. Then, in Submenu, choose Slow Cook. The display will show 175 degrees Fahrenheit, 79 degrees Celsius by default. Set the desired temperature for your food and touch Start. Touch Timer to set a cooking time if needed. Note, if a timer is set, the oven will not turn off automatically when the time expires. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit www.frigidaire.com.